Your good name is?
Benedict.
Age?
Age 52.
From which place you are?
I am in Kamanade, Bangalore.
Bangalore only. Actually, as per the record, in 2022, in the month of, I think, November, the HbA1c was 16.4.
Yes, sir.
Plus you had a gangrene.
Yes.
And you tell me the story, how it was. After you are coming over to me and after taking the miracle drinks treatment protocol, how that gangrene is, literally speaking, wiped out. And all these things, you have to share to me, so that the whole world will going to see this, and they will also going to get positive energy, that I too can come out from this type of problems like that. So that's why please narrate it. How actually you are feeling that time? What doctors were advised?
It is very horrible, doctor. My leg is very horrible, very painful. I admitted in hospital. Doctor told me to remove the
Amputation.
That immediately. That time is my sugar level is in 550. They admitted in 4 days in hospital. I was in hospital 4 days, and they want to reduce the sugar. After they want the
Amputation.
Then I will ask my family. My family will ask me, want to remove the leg? What will do? One of them, my uncle told me to Nipani. She told me to if you don't remove any leg, you go to the miracle and meet doctor. And after doctor will give the suggestion. After will take the decision. First you go to the miracle drinks. Go and meet the doctors. Then my son-in-law and my daughter went to the doctor. They asked the suggestion for the doctor. Doctor told me to don't take that decision. You come to me, you believe me, and come to me. I will give you the suggestion. I will give the treatment for you. You first take the decision, you will come. After you take my medicine, and after you will take the decision like that. We immediately discharged and came to home, and we started to immediately the miracle drinks. And after I taken the miracle drinks 1 week, I have to know my leg is now it is okay. Pus is little bit less, and pain also little bit less. It's okay. Then after 1 week and 2 weeks and 15 days and 1 month, it will cure.
It will started, healing.
Healing. And we also continue to take the same doctor what I suggestion the doctor. Miracle that diabetic and miracle that medicines.
All medicines.
Will continuously will take it.
That is a sugar care, liver care, and renal care. Renal care and cardiovascular care and Edimax powder and all.
Everything. All the 6 bottles and the powders. All we are taking. And now I am in very good. I am walking now.
Walking.
So, I am walking now. Before 3 months I will used to the
stick
and walk. Now I don't want any stick. I will walk to 100 steps also now. No
very
problem.
good. Very good. Very good.
Very happy.
And also HbA1c is reduced from 16.4 to 6.4.
6.4. No.
4.
I recently have taken the last week the report. That is in 6.4 now.
Yeah.
I am very happy. I very
thankful
to doctor.
No. And also you have left insulin also almost.
Insulin before I will take 20 units in night and morning in 15. Now I am taking only 2 units.
2 units.
Now doctor suggestion me don't take that also. You are free now. Raju doctor told don't take the insulin also. You stop the insulin. I am very happy that I am stop the insulin.
Wonderful. Excellent.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you very much.
Very good. Thank you.